Hello. Today we are going to perform two experiments. One is study of superposition theorem and other is study of Thevenin's theorem. So let's start with study of superposition theorem. So here is one circuit. So it has two batteries, one of 35 volt, one of 40 volt, and three resistors. 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm. So I1 current is flowing from the 3 ohm resistor and I2 current is flowing from 4 ohm resistor and here is I3 but it is written as I2 so here is I3 current flowing from the 2 ohm resistance. So uh, we are going to study the superposition theorem. So let's do it practically. So we have one software called every circuit. So in this I am going to tell you how to find uh, how to study this superposition theorem. So here is already one ground uh, symbol. So we have three resistors. So I am click so I am going to click on 1 2 3 three resistance and two batteries. So here is two batteries. First vertical battery, second battery is also vertical, and this resistance is horizontal. So so the next vertical so the next resistance is also horizontal, so I am changing its position, but the third resistance is vertical, so I am keeping it as it is. So now I am going to connect these points by wire. Wait a minute. And we are also going to ground it. So let's run this circuit and find the current. So it is showing different current value uh, that in the question. So we need to change it because here is 3 3 ohm, and in this circuit we have drawn 1 kilo ohm, so we need to change it. So and here also we didn't change this value, so this value was uh, it is 35, so I need to keep it 35. So it is 35 and it is 1 kilo ohm. I need to change it to 3 ohm. So um, yes, it's 3 ohm and it's 4 ohm. So this resistance is 4 ohm and I made it 4 ohm, and this battery is 40 ohm, sorry, 40 volts. This battery is 40 volt and the resistance in middle is 2 ohm. So I need to make it to 2 ohms. Yes, now it's perfect, and add ground to it and let uh, pass current through it. So it is showing I1 as 5 ampere, I2 as 5 ampere, and I3 as 10 ampere. The current I1 is going in the right side and current I2 is going in left side and I3 is going in downwards. So let's note these values. So when we apply both voltages, we have I1 value as phi value value is phi, right, and then we also have phi value of I2, which is left, and I3 we have value 10, which is down. So let's only keep 35 volt battery and short circuit this 40 volt. So I am removing this 40 volt and connecting these points. I'm connecting these points and let run current from it again. So here I1 is 8.08, I2 is 2.69, and I3 is 5.38. In this, I1 is going from left to right, and I2 is also going from left to right, and as previous, I3 is going from up to down. So let's note this 8.08 to right, sorry, this is 2.69 to right, this is 5.38 to down. So let's apply only 40 volt battery. So we need to stop current back. So let's apply only 40 volt. So we are attaching this and again doing it ground, and let's pass current through it. So I1 is 3.08, I2 is 7.69, and I3 is 4.62. So let's note this value. So by applying only 40 volt, we get I1 as 3.08, which is going towards left, and I2 is 7.69, which is going towards left, and we have I3 as 4.62, which is going towards down. So we have all the three values. As you can see, when we add these, means since this value is going towards right, means it is positive, and this value is going towards left, so it's negative. So when we add this, we get 5. So we are going on a right path. So this is positive and this is a negative. So when we add these two, we will get this answer, and similarly when we add these two, we get this answer. So we successfully did this superposition theorem by passing current. So let's see the second experiment. So we have a second experiment of the study of Thevenin's theorem. So you already know the principle of Thevenin theorem. So we have a circuit. In this we have two batteries, one of 10 volt and this battery is of 20 volt, this battery, and we have 5 resistance 6, 1, 2, 3, and 5, and these points A and B, and we have to find the current through we have to find the current through the 5 ohm resistance. Means this 5 ohm is the load resistance. So the first step is to draw the circuit and check how the current is flowing from it. By drawing this simple circuit, we get easily value of uh, the load uh, current. So let's redraw it. New circuit. So we have 5 resistance, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 2 batteries. We have 2 batteries. So we the ground is already given. We have to change the position of ground. This resistance is horizontal, and this resistance is also horizontal. We have we have 3 vertical resistances. This is here. Let's change its position, make it more space. One is here, and the load resistance is here, and one battery is vertical, and this battery is horizontal. So let's connect these resistors by wire. Hmm. These points. So now the circuit is same, but we have to change the values of the battery, of the voltages and resistances. So this val this value is uh, 10 volt. So I have to make it 10. Mm, it's perfectly 10 volt, and this value is 20, 20 volt, and this resistance we have here, means it has almost same meaning, but mm, we have value of this resistance as 6 ohm. So 6 ohm, and we have this value as 2 ohm. 2 ohm, and we have this load resistance value as 5 5, and this resistance in middle, it has value of 3. So I have to make it 3. 3 yes, it's 3, and I just have to change this value to 1. So let's check by running current through it. So we are getting 3.21 ampere current from our load resistance. So let's check we get this same value as load resistance in the final. Let's write IL is equal to 3.21 ampere. So let's do it. The first step is to find the value of VTH. So to find the value of VTH, we have to remove this sorry, we have to remove this load resistance and put voltmeter here. So this is voltmeter. So I am attaching this voltmeter here by these points. So let's run current from it. So the value of load resistance is the value of PTH is 22.7. The value of VTH is 20.7. So let's write it. VTH as 20.7 volts. So let's find RTH. So for finding RTH, we have to replace all the sources with its internal resistance and replace the load resistance with ohm meter. So let's do it. Delete this and add ohm meter. So this symbol is ohm meter. I have to also delete this, delete this. I have to connect this in the place of load resistance and connecting this. So let's run circuit from it and find RTH. So we are getting RTH as 1.46. So write the value as 1.46 ohm. Sorry, RTH is ohm. So let's draw a Thevenin circuit and find the IL. So for drawing Thevenin circuit, we have to draw a new circuit, discard it. So we have to draw, we have to select two resistors and only one battery, and ground one resistor is vertical, one resistor is vertical here, and one resistor is horizontal, and one battery is here. So this battery is VTH. So we have the value of VTH as 20.7. So let's make it 20.7. Sorry, it's microvolts. I have to make it 20 volts. Mm, so the value of VTH is 20.7, and let's give the value of RTH. So RTH have value 1.46. So 1.4, we have value of RTH as 1.46. And what was the load resistance? It was of 5 ohm. So 5 ohm. Let's connect this point and also ground it, and let's run current. So the current from our load resistance is 3.2, and the value we were getting was 3.2. So we successfully completed this uh, so we successfully proven this Thevenin's theorem. Thank you for watching.